Hey Boos, back with another video. So I have Old Faithful out. Y'all know what that means. So today I will be doing chicken and rice. I got the chicken breast that I am gonna clean. I got 1 can of cream of mushrooms, 2 cans of cream of chicken that we're gonna be doing in the crock pot. Some beef broth that I seen from a recipe that says beef broth will be better than chicken broth. And I have a bell pepper and onion. So the purpose of this meal is going to be my chicken and rice. So I'm going to do my chicken in the crock pot. I'm going to cook it overnight. And we're going to go from there. So with the bell pepper, I'm going to cut them up real thin. Bite-sized pieces. I'm going to try to do, y'all know I can't cut to save my life, okay? But my goal is to cut them really well this time. So we're going to start off by cutting. And then you can always go back and cut them smaller. Okay, bell pepper is cut. We're gonna get into this onion. I have a yellow onion. I feel like yellow onion will be best for this. So I'm just gonna use half of the onion. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Like I said, my cutting skills are very amateur. So we're just gonna cut these up real fine. Baby size pieces. Okay, onions and bell pepper nice and sliced. Child, that onion is strong. So we got our thin sliced chicken breast. Tapped them dry. I'm gonna go in first with some garlic powder. And you just season with your heart. Then I'm going with some toadies. Lastly, some Kinder's garlic. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Ooh. That's what I get for not paying attention. And do the other side. So, from the video I watched, the young lady, she had put her cream of chicken down first. And she just smeared it all over. She smeared it all over. She smeared it all over the bottom, basically, which is cool. And then she put all her chicken in the crock pot. Put them all on top of each other. And then just add your holy trinity, the bell pepper and onions. And then I'm going to add the cream of mushroom. I'm going to add the cream of mushroom on top of the chicken. Then I'm going to put the beef broth in there as well. Just smear that on top of the chicken. And then we're going to go in with our beef broth. Just like, I guess like half of it. And then I'm going to go in with another can of cream of chicken on top of it. And then I'm going to cook it on high for 6 hours. See y'all in a little bit. Okay, boo, so I've been cooking all night, and this is what it looks like. So I'm doing it with white rice or mashed potatoes, whatever Derek wants. But yes, this is gonna be dinner. I could